Welcome to Construction Site Diaries by Afi. In this video, I will explain briefly how to create a form or template in Excel or Word files. Here, you can see an example of a form created in an Excel file with fields such as name, mobile number, ID number, country, address, and email ID. To create a form like this, first, type the required text or field labels in the document. Next, select the cell where you want to create the form input and right-click on it. Then, choose Format Cells and select Custom. After that, type the @ symbol, followed by an asterisk, and then an underscore. Now, we can see how to create a template or form in Microsoft Word. Select the required text and double-click on the tab scale. The tabs dialog box will appear. Choose the leader option for required type. And click OK. Now, when you press the tab key, the cursor will move up to the tab stop on the tab scale, and the dot leaders will be displayed automatically. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below if you want more content in construction.